What's up, guys? So, as you're about to see, Chicken Connesuir is what it's about time I eat this special delicacy chicken. You know, how tasty is this? Delicious. Because one thing, Chicken Connesuir is all about when people love chicken.
Wow.
So it's about time I eat this. I'm gonna eat 2 pieces. Then the next one will be all about which is your favorite fast food. Drop in a comment in there which will be your best favorite fast food ever. Goodbye in it. Chicken Connesuir time for me. So, according to the, guess where I got this from? Chicken Guys. Chicken Guys, the fast food in Greenford. That's one. So, which is your favorite, fast food? You will drop in a comment, and that will be the question after I eat this special delicacy chicken. Now the second one. This second one will be just this one. Then the next one I'm on to a question. Here we go. Must have dropped a few crumbs on the floor. Chicken Connesuir, the best thing ever. I saw one YouTube guy doing chicken, in there he was doing the Chicken Connesuir thing. So yeah, that's a wrap of chicken done. So I'm on to a question, and I'm about to ask you this question. According to Chicken Guys, that is the best, could be the best thing. Some of you may know it, some of you may not know it. So, as in Chicken Guys, the fast food, which is your best fast food? Is it KFC? Is it McDonald's? Is it Burger King? Or is it Subway? Drop in a comment. And that's it. So, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the Joshua.E YouTube channel. Get your friends to subscribe. Turn on post notification. And hit the like button. Hope you enjoyed that chicken. Best thing ever. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. And I'm wrapping up. Goodbye.